All right, I'm ready. I'm as ready as I'll get, man.
That shit suspect. I'm sorry, that don't sit right with me.
Nah,
he up to something.
the way he had his tie and glasses and everything was like,
He's got a date.
with who? A fucking 14-year-old?
Listen, man. Listen. Yeah, he gonna be on the Catch a Predator.
If it's a predator,
We're gonna have fucking.
Go ahead.
He's gonna be on Dayland and he's gonna be like, hey.
I made a cake. Just go ahead and sit down. I'm doing laundry right now.
Let's go beat some predator's ass, man. Beat some
They're trying to
predator's ass.
Dayland motherfucker.
Yeah,
right here.
exactly. No, I didn't know. Yo, when I go to a girl's house, she's like, just come in. I'm like, hell no, bitch. I ain't falling for that shit.
You could have a big ass dog. Yo, daddy could be there with a
Exactly.
cat.
Just go in, make yourself home.
Dude, we have it all. We got the dog, the gun, the manpower here. Ain't nobody gonna fuck with us at this point. Oh,
So I got you. So I got
out of
you.
here.
Got it.
Oh, that's out. I
I'm
mean,
not gonna give off that garbage smell though. It was that shot. Yeah.
what do you want to do?
Whatever, check. All right.
All right.
He's like, I see you.
Yeah,
I see you. Yeah, we shit talking this morning.
That's all right.
We fucking busting ass out here now.
That's not getting the hangover. That's all right.
I think last night's the first night in like a week I haven't drank.
Nah, I got nice last night. I can't even front. They were bitch drinks, but the non-blunt came
Bro,
with it.
the fucking bitch drink gets you the fucking weirdest drunk. You're like, I can drink it. Oh,
What's that smell again?
Come on.
Oh, you don't trying to put some body on me like that, huh?
That's why I don't get in the middle.
That's why I get in the middle. Look at that shit.
Yeah, but you're much younger than me. I'm like brittle. You know what I'm saying? Don't get me wrong. I'll still fucking be aggressive, but
Aggressive.
I don't want to take out my knee.
Oh, that's some bullshit.
Look at him. Look at him.
Fuck.
That's two. What is that?
That's what I wanted to know. I got this is weird about Beatles thing.
Oh wait, I gotta shoot free throws.
Hey,
Huh?
that's that fool's mama.
Yeah.
You see my son? He's a 30-year-old, 12-year-old.
Yeah, exactly. He's a little. Oh no, no, those are the ladies that do line dancing over there. She one of them.
Oh, she one of them freaky motherfuckers, huh?
They're like 60, but yeah.
Oh, but they got the suck. They got the suck.
You take that pamper off, it's all work.
Got my one, but not the other.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's what we're gonna be doing when the league starts playing help defense. Like,
Yeah, I need help on defense. I didn't have no help the first few games, and fucking Maverick would be like, I'm down defense with you or whatever. You want to play point guard, but then you don't.
nah, point guard's in charge of
Pull that
defense.
down,
Like,
He wasn't. He's gone, man. He was horrible. He's gone because it wasn't even how he played. It's just that I mean, it was an issue every game with him.
He's dumb as fuck.
He's some Georgia boy living in the sticks, And I mean,
Yeah,
I went over his house. It's
He
just
didn't
fucking
seem
weird.
very Georgia boy. He seemed much more like Kentucky.
oh, okay.
Inbred? Yeah. You seen it though. You see it though.
Yeah, I told him he's not playing. Oh, well, I'm not going to have him playing for us because one guy could bring down the whole team,
So I'm pretty sure he had SAS.
and he almost brought down the whole
He
team.
don't have SAS. I don't know my whole life.
Oh, he had SAS, yeah. And I mean, he drinks bottles and bottles a day. That's why we don't hang. That's why he doesn't make practice, because he's drunk. And it's just like, fuck off, dude.
Even when he would come, he would be drunk, and it was like, bro, I can smell the liquor.
Well,
on you.
during the games, he thought he was in charge. He's like, I get to tell people what to do. No, dude, you're not my assistant coach. You don't. I mean, and he'd be on point guard and just run and throw the ball sloppy, and I'd be standing there wide open like, dude. Because if I get the ball, I'm going to set it up.
Smack
I
the
only
fuck
shoot if
out of
I'm
me,
over.
bro.
Pulling my hand down a lot. Good move. Gotta make that one though. Bank that bitch home.
I play defense a lot more because,
Oh,
As soon as I let it
I knew
go.
he was going to get that one, man.
As soon as I let it go, I knew.
I wasn't even in the right position.
So it's it. 2-2.
Two everybody.
Yep.
Everybody got 2?
Yep. Mine was a gift though, so I don't count.
This is mine was a Ooh, cookies. Cookies.
Gotta play a D. Our team's gotta be built on defense.
What?
Got all these guys on our team thinking it's all about offense, and then none play defense at all. But those, you know, the thing about building a team is you can get, you don't have to have those type of guys. You can have the guys that really want to play and want to be part of the sport. Oh, close.
Good move.
Oh, come on. Christ.
You know what? If I would have jumped, that would be mine.
Yep. That's all right. I got to warm up still. It's in. No, short. He put a little more power, he'd have had that.
Oh! He said, nope. Secret of Nim. Not in my house. Control today. What happens when I take 3 days off?
Good shoot.
I hate that fence.
Oh yeah.
Bam, 50 points.
I hate that fence with a passion.
50 points.
Man, they got the hydro with it too. I wasted. Nothing. Nerf for nothing.
Do what you gotta do, I guess.
Forward. Yep. Oh, that's sweat in my elbow. Gotta tuck that elbow.
Yeah, I hear you.
Thought that one was good.
It takes me a bit to get warmed up. I mean, I watch some of my videos. Sometimes I don't hit threes till like a couple games in. Everybody's butthurt on Facebook, man.
What, you got Facebook with us or something? I haven't got Facebook.
I'm in Facebook jail right now.
She's, are you?
Yeah. I told the chicks to suck dick for Chipotle balls.
Yes, you. I don't know. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Chipotle bowls are good. That's why I'm like, I don't see the problem. I was like, some bitch was like, hey, I'll buy you some Chipotle. Fucking bitch, man. Unforgiving. Fuck, it's getting hotter than shit already.
Yeah, I mean, I wonder what happened, dude. It was nice and cool this morning when I stepped out. I'm like,
It
this.
was cool for about 15 minutes when I got
Maybe that's because the sun's so high now. It's fucking hot.
Oh, I got tipped that shit.
And that shit went in. That's the bullshit.
Yeah. I'll give him credit. He tried. He's not afraid to go up the, up the center with traffic, which is good. Which is good. You can't be afraid. You got to go out there and make a statement. Yeah, that's it.
What's that?
Going off that.
Yes, 6.
6?
I got 4.
So 6 up?
No, I got 4.
I know me and him.
Yes, you guys got 6.
Bro, these fucking rims, dude. Look at that.
What the fuck, dude?
Does God let you know that shit shouldn't go in there?
Say no.
Does it ever stop?
He's like, yo, that's that bullshit. The rim don't lie.
So you use the
Sexy
backboard?
butts don't
Fuck
lie.
Yeah, it's fucking bouncing, bro. See? It's bouncing.
Bounce. Oh! Look at the speed on you, man. Good, good. Speed is good. See, I watch everything, man.
Bang.
Ah! He even got the growl in there, too.
Oh, Jesus.
Get him,
I'm trying to
guys.
redeem myself there.
Get him! Ah! God damn. See what I absorb the contact. Still got the board. There it is. That's 9.
Going all butter. Talking about Pizzagate and Obamagate, and I'm like, what the fuck are you talking about? If you don't believe it, Pizzagate. Yeah, I don't know what the fuck's going on.
They're saying there was a pizza place, and underneath the pizza place, they used to rape kids. And some idiot shows up at this place in Washington, D.C. with a gun, looking to kill Hillary Clinton. He was white, by the way.
And then she starts talking shit because she's a Trump supporter. And I'm like,
No, honestly,
Really? One of those, a Trump
Well, I mean, I'm a
And then-
Trump supporter, but I mean, I'm not like retarded, though.
and then she starts telling me about Obamagate, and I'm like, that's one of the greatest presidents we've ever had. Oh no, you don't believe it? I'm
There
like,
you
fuck you.
What is one of these like supposed to be like wire
Here's
dating
my shit.
instances or something?
they spent $700 million investigating this man's life.
Right.
So you telling me they spent $700 million investing in this man's life? They found his pastor, they found his illegitimate brother, but there's some bullshit we don't know about. If I spend $700 million on you, I can find out everything about your life. Ever.
There's no way you couldn't, dog.
So when they be
It's
like,
$45, you only have to take is a fucking
that's what
background
I'm
check.
saying. Like,
Yeah, I just got to the point where I'm like, you fucking go ahead, have your Facebook, believe everything you fucking read, fucking sheep,
yeah.
I'm leaving.
And,
Good luck.
There's some people that believe it's pretty dumb shit. I'm like, dude, these Facebook trolls don't even try with this shit anymore.
No.
Like, I'm reading this shit like, bro, this is a joke, and then there's still people that are like, bro, can you believe that? And I'm like, wait, you serious? You think this? Glad we about to fuck you up with that. And I was like, oh,
I
if
read
you would have
that
got that
all
on,
over.
I wouldn't have even stolen it. I would have let that happen.
Ooh! I blocked it twice.
He still got it. He still got it.
Yo, my pinky got it twice. I knew that shit was going in the second time.
Powerhouse.
What is that, 9 or 11?
Powerhouse here.
11, 8. What do you got? 5?
No, 7.
Okay.
Well,
I got a free throw.
no.
I'll be happy with my points. Sometimes in 21 I do really good.
Closest I've had come all day.
That wasn't good. That's all I hit in rim last second. Oh no, it's such terrible fucking rings. God damn it.
Don't force it.
God damn.
That's one problem we have on the team. We force it. So you just gotta be a little gentle with the ball. But sometimes my problem is I get too gentle and then I miss.
Sometimes you gotta spit on it so it gets in there.
Yeah, I mean, yeah.
Knock it around. You can't force it in or spit on it.
You were here for the Louis.
Golden rule. Golden rule.
Yeah, but then you spread the COVID.
No.
We don't want to get the
For the
COVID.
ass cheek, not COVID.
If we get the
Get
COVID.
the fuck in
we get
there.
the COVIDs will be out for a few weeks. Lucky I don't have the COVIDs. I like to stay that way. The only risk I ever take without my mask is basketball. And you guys are not sick, so.
I mean, my game's pretty ill, but
I ain't one to brag,
but my thing with not catching the coronavirus is you can't catch the coronavirus if you're already the illest. You know what I'm saying? If you're already the illest, you can't catch corona.
Oh, come on, dude. Get in there.
again.
You gotta get up a little higher. They keep coming back to you.
I'm hitting the rim. If we were playing 2-on-2, that'd have been a good rebound.
Yeah.
Oh,
When you picked it up, I was like, throwing him.
man, I'm sweating. That was some good running there. I give myself credit for an old guy. I still can run. Though I'm not as fast, not as fast as I used to be, but I'm more wiser and patient. You know. Well, when you get older, you become more patient in basketball. Like you see in the league, a lot of 18-year-olds, they're very impatient. Well, let's go. Oh!
I was like,
I thought that was going to pop out, man. I was like, yes, yes. He got it, though.
What's going on?
11.
Almost
got,
just
13?
tied.
I got 13 now.
Hit that. Boom.
Too gentle. You put a spin on it.
This is. In a row, that's right. 14?
Yep. Oh, I lost it in the sun.
He just sees all over our heads.
I gotta get this shit going, man. I don't like that.
You will. It's a warm-up.
Oh, no.
Right.
It's a warm-up.
No way.
Yeah, I know.
Hold up. What's wrong with this ball?
Is it deflating?
I don't know. Did you see that
Does
shot?
it need more air?
Did you see that shot? What the fuck was that?
Ego's deflated.
I think I need to put more air in it, guys.
Yeah, it's
Nope. To the right.
You see what I'm saying? There's something wrong with this ball, bro.
It's the ball!
What? James, don't shit. Watch. You go to right now. Look. Yep, something wrong with the ball. He don't make those.
Hello, mommy.
You don't make
Hello,
money.
mommy.
Oh, wow.
Fucking bend over in my face, man. I washed his booty.
Last time.
From a distance, it looks like she might have cake.
Honda right there.
Uh,
Bend over, no pins.
get the fuck out, really?
That's 17, by the way, after that.
Get the fuck out. How come I missed the good stuff?
I got lucky.
I guess so.
I just happened to look at the right time.
Oh, come on! I never miss those at the pass, man, ever.
Stifling defense.
All right, I need to fucking do something quick. My wrist fucking turned. That's all right. That's all right. Oh, don't kill each other. Don't injure each
I'm
other.
gonna go up earlier with it.
We need all the players we can get.
Snatch block. So you block them for snatch. Shoot it right in my face, bitch.
What? Bro, that secret
Nice.
is going out my body right now. That what happens to you?
Oh, come on.
Right, you're making me happy or whatever the fuck.
Whatever the fuck that shit I was drinking was. Why do girl drinks have to have like the most elaborate fucking names?
Sex with a fuzzy navel on a beach, right?
Like, can I get a slippery nipple dry on the
Yeah.
rocks? Like, what the fuck did you just ask me to do to you in this bar, bitch?
Like, can I
Sexual harassment, I
be
call
like,
it.
order me a screaming orgasm, bitch? I'll give you one.
I'll give you a
That shit
screaming
costs
orgasm,
$15.
bitch. Like, you motherfucking screaming trembling orgasm. You keep fucking playing like that.
No, sir. No,
You did that
sir.
straight arm.
No, sir. That was all Bizzle.
Rick
Oh, big
nah,
dog.
Rick's gonna watch the tape on that one. He's gonna see smack the fuck out of my left
Please.
arm.
Hey,
I will
highlight
watch
the
this
tape.
footage.
Hey.
I watch them all,
Yeah, highlight the tape.
even if they're 2 hours.
That
I'll
was
watch
boss.
How you gonna say it was all ball? You smacked my left arm, I got the ball in my right hand.
Hey, arm part of the ball, baby.
Oh, you fucking shit me. That shit's bothering me.
it. Come on, man. I don't know why I keep missing those. I hit rim. I just can't get it in.
Try again.
See how he can go on left?
Yep.
Keep pushing him left towards the side
Yeah.
in the game. It saves
Further
you
shots.
energy. It saves you energy and makes his shot harder.
Yeah.
Short.
See what happened when I stepped to that side and he had to go wider? It changes the angle.
Yeah, but the one thing element with him is he'll just go through you. You know what I'm saying?
Oh no, I'll make him go through me, but I'm saying in the
But in
game.
the league, they'll just penalize it. So we gotta be disciplined. You know, more disciplined than on the court, obviously. Yeah, just gotta have discipline. These refs call everything, and those cost us points. We get penalties. Sometimes we give up 30 points on penalties. It's too much. It's too much. Yeah. That's why these practices are good because we can work on that kind of shit. Even if we don't play for another 6 months, we can work on it.
Cookies!
I didn't want to pass it to Zach, but I did. Roll off my fingers.
It's a good idea. Exactly. Jesus fucking.
I thought you were gonna hit that one. It was like he hits
Closest
like
I've come all day.
80% contested shot though.
It's that high five. It's the release high.
From rain.
Except for a little more power. I can hit half court ones. I hit 2 at the Mac in a row. I mean, in a game. Last year, I hit 2 half court shots on the buzzer. 2 last year. I had two threes on the buzzer. And you know the pressure when you got 5-6 seconds left in the game, and you just gotta put that shit in. But I don't make as many threes outdoors as I do at the Mac. So at the Mac, I made 10 in a row. And here I make shit. I'm gonna have to start driving instead.
What is that, 17?
Yeah. All right, 17.
19.
I got 9. I always have the lowest in 21, although I win
Not
sometimes.
today.
What's your score? 6?
2.
2? Really? I thought you had more.
Nah, he's been robbed a lot.
Yeah, he's been robbed a lot, but he's at least driving in, so that's good to see. Because some people are afraid to drive in, You're not afraid to go up the middle and use his body. Like that, so.
Fuck me.
You have
what it can do?
everything but day.
Yeah. Just wait. They'll start falling. Tomorrow. Next week.
Ooh. That was
I'm
a,
going to touch that. It might not
that
be
was a
it.
skyhook, I guess.
All right, that's 11.
That
I gotta
counts as
catch
my
up to you
point.
guys.
That counts as my point. I touched it.
Oh. New rules.
Short. Gabe right here.
No. Oh, see, that's what I did, man. I missed.
Damn. Should have pump fake to on Andy.
13. Oh, come on. Ugh.
Hand in his face.
That don't even work. He's a tower, man. I will give him credit.
What do you mean it don't work? It
You're a
definitely
tower.
works.
That's good, though. That's what we need on our team. We need taller guys. Nice move. Good defense. We're building a good team, man. And, you know, come 6 months, we go in that league, we'll be ready with the first, when the freaking jump ball starts, we'll be ready. We'll be a disciplined team. A very proud team, too, because we worked hard. Yeah. These teams that are in the league, they've been building shit for years, you know. That's kind of what we're doing.
Oh, you filthy cocksucking cunt.
Oh, he's going up the middle.
Oh,
There you go.
Are you fucking kidding me?
Nice deep. There it
A
is.
little bit of arm.
It was a good fake. It was a good fake you did. You got around me. I try to play defense, you know, more than offense. Sometimes I like to play offense, but our team was very weak with the defense. You know, I kept telling the guys, look, you can't be all about, oh, I score. You're not. It doesn't matter if you have no defense. If you score, they score 5 because you don't have a defense. So that's why you lose. We'll be defensive and offensive, our team. Every guy will know how to be defensive. And I already see you guys being defensive, so I don't need to, like, baby anyone, you know what I'm saying? Because you guys know how to play, so. But we get players that don't know, and they just fucking do stupid shit.
What?
Oh, come on!
I thought you was about to rain on that
I
man's
thought I was
soul.
going to get that. I needed that 3, man. I'm close. Damn it! Oh, I thought I was coming back on you, dude.
Like when he gave me a pump fake, I didn't even have it set. I was like, he thank you for
Now
his
I
time.
make it. You see that shit? Ugh, Madonna mia. Jesus. It has gotten warmer. It was pretty cool Wednesday, 72 here. Because it was cloudy as fuck. It just got done raining, you know, it was pretty nice. No wind. Maybe a little bit.
No, we just got that. We on come
Yeah,
on,
I know.
man.
Yeah, you
You
have
gonna see
to.
us this weekend. Come on,
I had a
man.
concussion the other day ago, so I'm a little loopy.
Oh, I hit my foot, but kick back.
Good defense. You read the play. You're not going to trick Zach.
Well, I mean, he
I
only got
kicked
one.
all of them.
Got it. There you go. Oh,
Get
you
out of
gotta
there.
make that.
Oh, fucking.
That is the definition of the Trump
That's.
Bowl. That was the Kawhi. You should have just. You should
I should have got out here and looked at it.
That was Kawhi right
Looking
there.
at that
I thought
shit,
that
he's
was gonna
like,
go
I swear
out.
to God.
He's like, I'm the claw. You get your fucking
Yeah,
ass
it's
in there.
You start blowing on it.
That just touched every single part of the rim. All of it. He got every bit of the rim.
Oh, now he goes in.
Okay,
That's 2.
okay.
We'll do 2s and 3s, I guess. They're quicker games, so.
Short.
Boom. You're gonna need to make those.
Yeah, dude. Well, I don't know how I undershot that last one. That was way too much space for me to miss that.
2-0.
Now we got 2, right? It's 2 up.
Yeah, 2-2, yeah.
Okay.
It's like, I made the first basket.
Yeah.
Did you?
Your toilet
Alright.
toilet bowled it.
Yeah.
I am my back turn.
Here it comes. You see it? I got you. Don't bring that Kool-Aid to the block party.
Oh, trying to give a backboard pass.
Oh! Yeah, hit on your hand, right?
I touched it.
Yeah, I
I
hit
was
it
trying to
up.
get it.
He's trying to hit you that backboard pass. I think it's too much mustard on you.
I'll give myself A for effort.
Yeah.
But
Nah,
I
I
wish-
was like, if I can get my arm and not foul him.
I wish I could have gotten it, you know. It's just ahead of me.
Oh, no way.
Oh. We know it's on when the glasses come off.
Flagrant one.
That's right.
We know that fucking this is rough when the glasses come off. Come on.
Straight to the bro, I saw you smacking my face and I let it happen.
Didn't I smack you in the last game?
Yeah.
You're always getting slapped.
I get like kneed in the balls and
Meat in the nuts, all that.
all like get the balls. Switch. Well, like, I'll get blocked.
Oh no! I did it! Oh, I did it!
Oh man.
If I can just fit this bitch right over
All
your
right.
ear.
I was waiting for it. I was like, if he threads the needle, I'm gonna be real happy.
You create the passing lane. If everybody cut, I'll get it to you.
Oh. I wish I went in, man. It was so close.
There we go.
Oh, no.
Switch that.
Stayed on me. That's pretty good
left.
defense. Some people don't stay on me, so I could dig that.
Oh no! Filthy bitch. Whoa! Oh no! Nice shot.
There you go. Little aggressive play leads to good things.
If I would've got like an inch or two on that more ball, that'd been safe.
You all right? I want to like bust in your nose, man.
What the fuck are we doing? What you got, buddy?
You good? Bro, that bitch over there look like she built.
Horrible.
Oh no! God damn it!
Get in there.
Oh, did you see that shit? What the fuck? Ugh. That's so frustrating, dude.
Oh!
Nice read, Zach.
Was
I'm telling you, he reads plays
Yeah, I was
awesome.
amazing.
I couldn't get it. If I had touched it, it would have been out anyway.
I should have shot it. Maybe I wouldn't have blocked.
Fucking rock. I don't know why they just didn't put grass there.
And then you gotta water it. Good.
They water this, don't they? You guys like sprinklers that pop up or something at night?
Yeah.
You have sex with the sprinklers on, right?
No, I had sex on the lawn that didn't have sprinklers, obviously.
Oh, no.
That's four.
How the fuck did I miss that,
That's a
bro?
good pass,
You put it right in his hands for me.
right?
There you go. That's you. Money, take your time.
Oh no! Oh my god!
Here we go.
Ooh.
That's three. Three has seven.
7-6.
7-6.
All right.
That's all right. It's a close game.
You tipped that? Is that why it went in?
Give me that. Get it.
Take it.
Ah.
Oh, come on.
Ooh, dude, that's around the back side. Nice.
Really? Just got to be adamant. That's all. Oh my God. I'm going to kick that fucking. I'm going to kick that bar.
They're coming left.
Good shit.
Woo! There we go. That's
Gotta
9.
get something good. 9-6.
He would play as a strong play. Yep.
Pick right. Take it.
If I would have shot that, lost it instead. All right.
9-7, right?
Correct. 9-7. It's close. I'll respect that. Close games are the best games. We'll have a lot of close games in the league.
On that touch.
Yeah.
I can get it there if I can see a hand.
9 all.
8, 9.
Over 2s and 3s. Yeah.
Yeah.
7 plus 2 is 9. So it's
9.
9.
Is it?
9.
I lost track.
Pick left.
All right.
We
I got
did
you
it.
with the switch.
Oh, he got a piece of it. Damn. Good play. Good defense. That was going, man. I just put it in.
Pick left.
Oh, yeah.
Ah, no!
Hey, work this shit, man.
Watch. Yeah.
Good look.
We're playing to 11 or what are we playing?
11.
Yeah.
Because we're short games, and it allows us to switch up. Because if I do long games, we'll never switch up. Short games are the best because you can get a breather too. Because remember, it's just practice. So when I practice, I put about 70% in. You know, we can one of us can shoot it and start it because when we only have 2, you know, it's just good practice. You know, good for shooting.
The reason I like 21 is because it works on all your individual skills.
Yeah, I try not to get under the net too much because, like I was telling the guys, I can't take another hit to my knee. I'll be out and I won't be able to play, and that's going to really, I mean, that'll put me in a state of depression. So it's just best I don't get hurt practicing. You know, I'm cautious, and I don't want to hurt anybody on my team, so I'm not going to push them to the ground. I mean, you know, I try to be I'm a good sport when it comes to sports. I'm not looking to kill somebody.
Me too. Like,
I mean, I don't want to take someone out of the game. That doesn't benefit me.
I just want to get a good night's sleep.
Oh, shit. It's a bad shot. I gotta be quick on my feet, you know what I'm saying? Because when I'm on my feet quicker, I tend to shoot better. I don't know why. You know, maybe that's just the type of shooter I am. You know what I'm saying? Here. Check. I'll check. That's just a bad shot. That's all right. Oh, come on. I usually never miss those. I guess I should work on those more often. Oh my God. Really? How is that not going? There you go. I knew you'd get one.
I just got
Oh. Nice snatch out of here. Oh.
Got it. Good save.
All right. Holy shit. Woo! That was a miracle I got that. Oh. There we go. It's a good day for basketball. Oh, man. Oh, I could feel the adrenaline in that because oh my goodness. Wow. I cannot believe that didn't go in. I don't know, man. It might be that double rim shit. I don't know. Almost. There you go. That's your shot right there.
Yeah.
I think that's 7 for you.
Yeah.
With my lousy 2. Eight. 9. And your ball. Beautiful. Beautiful. That's all right. Means I got more work to do. Whoa.
You good?
Yep. Oh, I knew what I wanted to do. I just couldn't do it. There you go. That's 11 for you. I gotta boost my score. 12. 13. 14. Holy shit. You're hot. 14 too. I'm an embarrassment on film. Not even that. I had some good shots, but they're just not going in. That one. Oh.
That one felt too good.
Yeah, it did.
I forgot to shoot it. It felt too good.
Alright. Let's take it from here. When it's just us, I don't give a fuck, you know?
Yeah.
The other guys always do. They're like, the middle. I don't care, dude. Give it to me anywhere you want. You know, I'm going to play it. Because I can move the ball.
Yeah, exactly.
The hook shot, the sky hook did not work that time. It's good to try different things, so.
Okay.
Yep. Oh man, it's like 16. You're getting close. Depends what you do here. 17. 18. too hard. My fault. I got excited there. But that's good to have excitement. When you lose the excitement, then you lose the game. So I always stay excited.
Oh, come on.
Close. No! Unbelievable. I just can't make nothing today. Well, the other game I could, but you know,
See, today my mid-range is going.
Oh,
I got it. Whew. My mid-range is going, but everything else is failing me.
yeah. It's called old age, buddy. We all got to get old sometime, but getting old can be fun if you push your limits, you know. Just because you're old, it's not an end-all or be-all. I still, you know, I'm 45, and I still compete against 18-year-olds. And it's the funnest thing I've ever done almost in life.
You gotta outsmart them.
Yeah, I mean, but it's fun. I have a good time. I like to compete. I like to test myself. If I make a mistake in a game, I'll fix it the next game. You know, just got to be self-disciplined. All right. All right. There we go. Here we go. We got 19 points. Yeah. 19 to my 2. But that's all right. I missed a lot. That's my problem. I'm not hitting my hoops.
Are you kidding me?
There we go. 5. Woo! I feel rejuvenated there. Right. Come on! Oh, it's a bad bounce. I had the right idea. Today's not my layup. Alright, let's see how I can rewire myself. Oh, game. I blew it. Bro. You test me. I like that. All my other players don't test me enough. It wasn't windy, so I could put the camera higher.
Yeah.
And it looks better. Because a lot of videos you're going to see are from the ground up. But if there's no wind, this is how I'll put it like this.